Imagine a place where the golden desert meets the turquoise sea, where ancient traditions coexist with modern marvels. Welcome to the splendid Qatar, a land of contrasts and harmonies, where the timeless desert dunes whisper tales of Bedouins and caravans, while the shimmering skyline of Doha narrates a story of rapid transformation and progress. In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, Qatar has been a crossroads of cultures for centuries. The nation's history is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of pearl diving, fishing, and Bedouin traditions. The echoes of this past reverberate in the bustling souqs, the grand mosques, and the intricately designed traditional Qatari houses. Yet Qatar is not a country held captive by its history. It strides confidently into the future, embracing modernity with open arms. The evidence of this lies in the country's stunning architectural wonders, its world-class educational institutions, and its commitment to becoming a global hub for sports, arts, and culture. And who can forget the awe-inspiring skyline of Doha, a testament to Qatar's ambitious vision and indomitable spirit. But what truly sets this nation apart is its unique culture, a culture that's rooted in Bedouin traditions, yet welcoming of influences from around the globe. Here you'll find a fascinating blend of old and new, traditional and modern, local and global. Whether it's the melodious tunes of Arabic music, the aromatic spices in Qatari cuisine, or the captivating rhythms of traditional dance, the cultural richness of Qatar is sure to leave an indelible impression on your senses. A nation that has truly carved a niche for itself on the global stage, Qatar is a gem waiting to be discovered. So come along on this journey of exploration and discovery, and prepare to be captivated by the enchanting allure of this oasis of wonders. At the heart of the nation lies Doha, a city that perfectly encapsulates Qatar's vibrant spirit. As we journey through the city, we're greeted by an awe-inspiring skyline that's a testament to the country's progress. The high-rises aren't just steel and glass structures, but rather they are symbols of Doha's evolution, standing tall and proud, reflecting the city's ambitious spirit and its commitment to the future. As you wander through the city's bustling markets, you're instantly transported to a different world. The lively chatter of vendors, the aroma of exotic spices, and the vibrant colors of fabrics and handicrafts all come together to create a sensory delight. These markets, known as souqs, are more than just places for commerce. They are living, breathing embodiments of Doha's rich cultural tapestry, where tradition meets modernity. But the city's charm doesn't end there. Doha is home to state-of-the-art museums that offer a fascinating glimpse into Qatar's history and heritage. These cultural institutions serve as a testament to the city's deep reverence for its past, even as it strides confidently towards the future. They are a celebration of art, history, and innovation, showcasing the country's journey from a humble pearl diving community to a thriving global metropolis. And yet, for all its modernity, Doha never loses sight of its roots. The city is a hub of commerce and innovation, yes, but it's also a place where tradition is held in high esteem. Here, the past and the present coexist in harmony, creating a cityscape that's as diverse as it is dynamic. As we stroll along the city's waterfront promenade, the Corniche, we are treated to a breathtaking view of the city. The skyline, bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun, is a sight to behold. It's a reminder of Doha's unwavering spirit, its relentless pursuit of progress, and its enduring charm. From its sparkling skyline to its lively streets, Doha is a city that pulses with the heartbeat of Qatar. As we take one last look at this vibrant city, we can't help but be captivated by its energy, its vitality, and its ceaseless heartbeat. Venture beyond the city limits, and you'll find treasures that echo the voices of the past. Today, we journey to the northwest of Qatar, to the ruins of Zubarah, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This once thriving pearl fishing and trading town now stands as a testament to Qatar's rich history. Its weather-beaten walls and deserted alleyways whisper tales of a bygone era, of merchants and pearl divers, of prosperity and decline. Zubarah offers a unique window into the past. It was once a bustling city, home to thousands, and its well-preserved ruins give us a rare glimpse into the life of the 18th century Gulf. The town's fort, with its sturdy walls and imposing watchtowers, stands as a silent sentinel, guarding the memories of the past. From the quiet solitude of Zubarah, we travel to the heart of Doha, to the vibrant Souq Waqif. This isn't just a marketplace, it's a living, breathing piece of Qatar's cultural heritage. With its maze-like alleys filled with the scent of spices and the murmur of haggling voices, Souq Waqif is a sensory delight. Here you can find everything from traditional garments to handcrafted souvenirs, from fragrant spices to exotic birds. The Souq is a place where tradition meets the present, where you can sip a cup of Arabic coffee in a centuries-old cafe or enjoy a meal in a modern restaurant, all while surrounded by the timeless charm of the old market. Souq Waqif, with its bustling atmosphere and rich array of goods, is a testament to Qatar's enduring love for tradition. Despite the rapid modernization, the heart of the old market continues to beat, keeping the country's cultural heritage alive and well. Whether it's the silent whispers of Zubarah or the lively chatter of Souq Waqif, Qatar's historical gems have countless stories to tell. Qatar's beauty extends beyond its architecture and history to the untouched corners of its natural landscape. As we traverse the country's terrain, we encounter the mesmerizing inland sea, a natural wonder that defies expectations. This vast body of water, surrounded by endless dunes, is one of the few places in the world where the sea encroaches deep into the heart of the desert. The inland sea, known to locals as Khor al-Adaid, presents a spectacle of stark contrasts. The gentle, rhythmic lapping of sea waves against the rugged, ever-shifting sands. It's a place where the elements of earth and water unite, creating a unique spectacle that leaves one in awe of nature's ability to craft such scenes. It's not just the vistas that catch the eye, but also the rich tapestry of wildlife that calls this place home. The inland sea serves as a refuge for a variety of bird species, including flamingos and herons. Its waters teem with life, with creatures like turtles and dugongs making occasional appearances. It's a testament to the vitality of nature, flourishing amidst the harsh desert conditions. From the inland sea, we journey to another natural gem, Purple Island. This small, uninhabited island, nestled in the heart of Al Khor's mangrove forests, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. It's a place where the land is awash with vibrant hues, from the verdant mangroves to the colorful flocks of birds that swoop down to feed and rest. And yes, there's also the island's namesake, the purple-tinted plants that paint the landscape in a surreal palette. Here, you can lose yourself in the soothing rustle of the mangrove leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle lap of the surrounding waters. It's a place that invites contemplation and offers a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. In the tranquil serenity of the inland sea or the vibrant hues of Purple Island, one can truly appreciate the diverse natural beauty of Qatar. From the bustling cityscape to the tranquil natural retreats, Qatar is a tapestry of exciting experiences. In this journey we've taken together, we've seen the rich fabric of this nation, woven with threads of history, culture, nature, and modernity. Each element, each thread contributing to the vibrant picture that is Qatar. In the heart of this nation, Doha, we've witnessed the pulse of modern Qatar. We've strolled along the Corniche, marveling at the skyline that is a testament to Qatar's rapid growth and development. The spectacular Museum of Islamic Art, the vibrant Qatari cultural village, and the bustling Souq Waqif, they all paint a picture of a city that embraces the future while cherishing its past. Venturing beyond the city, we've traveled back in time to Zubarah, an UNESCO World Heritage Site. The ruins whisper tales of a bygone era, a stark contrast to the modernity of Doha. And yet, it's this contrast that adds depth to Qatar's tapestry. We've experienced the serene beauty of the inland sea and the enchanting Purple Island, where nature spins her own tale. The starkness of the desert meeting the calm waters, the rich biodiversity of the mangroves, they all add unique hues to this nation's palette. In Qatar, every experience is unique yet interconnected, just like the intricate patterns of a tapestry. The golden deserts, the turquoise waters, the vibrant markets, the historic ruins, and the modern cityscapes, they all intertwine to create a captivating narrative. Each thread, each experience adding to the story, making it richer, more vibrant. So, as the sun sets over the horizon, we end our virtual journey, leaving behind the splendid vistas of Qatar, a nation that is as beautiful as it is diverse. Until next time, travel enthusiasts.